Welcome back to the channel, Exp0se. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now there's no other way to describe this other than stating that it's a wicked tragedy. Phillip Paulwell has lost two baby mothers. One took the life of the other along with his just a few months old child. Now she gonna spend the rest of her life behind bars. And the child him have with Bradshaw is also a preteen. But now we hear Paulwell's mother-in-law I bring forward some very serious accusations. Let me come hear what go on, and then we continue reasoning. Look and listen.
I wanted to expose this man. You see what me know, so the man is wicked. When I call, she called me before the lawyer pick her up and she said, Mommy, please answer the phone. Me not answer the phone because work me there. Me never did know so Leoda call me because the phone is on silent. Right? So in the morning me get up and me call her, she not answer. So me text Paulwell and me say, where is Leoda? And he says, Miss so-and-so. Everything on my phone because I can't afford everything to you. After 9 o'clock, the lawyer come and pick her up because there's a suspect. Some suspect for about what? And he said, I don't know what Leoda have to think me and her involved. I'm not involved with Leoda. So then I started to tell him what Leoda tell me. Him say, can I call you back? Is the coming downstairs? Please, whatever you know, you can let me know. You can't tell me. Me say you say Leoda not there. So you Leoda that in your yard and in your house. You tell Leoda say you're afraid for what I want. So please stay with her. Leoda, me tell Leoda go to the embassy. Go let the embassy know what is going on. And then after that, call your job because you live down here. You leave and come down here. Come to Jamaica. Me da a foreign leader. You come to Jamaica, nobody knew where you was. Because you tell me, sir, you carry your computer to work from the Paulwell house. So all of a sudden, then him go tell her, his sister goes on the phone like 24 hours. You see, when they can't find the girl, Leoda said, Mommy, I didn't do anything. I'm making a date for me and the girl to meet up because they want the girl to do the DNA. You hear me? And
yes.
So she said she not end up find the girl. She not end up because it was in the afternoon she met the date. So me don't know how in 8 o'clock in the morning, girl got missing after 9 o'clock because she not see the girl. She said she in the room one evening and she hear Sunday evening. She said, Mommy, something is happening where if I can take care of Isabella, me says, me a 54-year-old, me can't take care of nobody. She says she hear one of the Paulwell people then come on the phone, come in the room and say, you're going to stand the lose. You remember, so I'm not going to get no more favors from you. So somebody have to take the blame for it. I swear to Almighty God, Leoda called me and I cry. But my girlfriend, a man that called me 2 weeks before it happened. I said, Carlene, Leoda in a trouble, you know. I miss me Leoda in a trouble. She says she go to her bed and she wake up and see Leoda in a prison and she sees the woman in her pitney dead. That's before the girl miss Lena. That's before Leoda go meet up with girl are supposed to go meet with girl. You hear me?
I'm hearing you. But I don't know. Don't know if you are talking from and I'm just being a journalist right now.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm not picking sides, and she's innocent until proven
guilty.
However, when the deputy commissioner come out and say they have evidence against her, I cannot sit here and say I don't think that she knows about the death of a baby
and the mother.
And the mother. I am not going to be hypocritical and say that. I just know that I don't think that she's alone in it because she would be the coldest woman I've ever met on this planet.
Me tell us I would be somebody I don't know. when I heard it, I said, Leoda have that heart. But you see, as I said, the Sunday when I text Paulwell about 50 messages, I can send it to you. She said, Mommy, Paulwell don't sit in the room with me. All of a sudden, Paulwell start get scared. The sister said, Leoda, me say not go home. She says, no. Paulwell tell her to stay with him. Some say stay with him. So, if he stay, in a film job came to Parliament. Number one, the lawyer asked her, oh, Paulwell gonna put up on the 500,000 to find the baby mother / his baby. You hear me? And he never owned that child.
Are you hearing me properly? Because people telling me, but people are here. All right, fine. Okay, it's not covered, guys. All right, continue. Sorry.
I'm hearing you. So,
all right, as long as you're hearing me.
Yeah. So the Sunday when I said to her, I said, Leoda, go on some fasting. Go on, you need to stop, come off of the phone.
Why didn't she leave Jamaica? Why didn't she?
Paulwell and Paulwell's sister, the senator, I don't know she. Tell Leoda that Paulwell need her if him can't keep the company to everything. So me says, so Paulwell is a baby, you leave your baby with your baby classmate. Mother, and you there for keep Paulwell company, and embassy tell you to go, and embassy tell you that if it's anything, they leave all the information. She said when she booked the ticket, because she called me on my phone. Shelly, everything I'm tell you, I'm gonna give you a receipt for it, and say to me, Mommy, can you lend me $350? So Mr. Leoda, without work, because I live in what me do. Mr. Leoda, I can give you the $350, but I have to go take a lift. She said to me, I said, I can give her the credit card to use. She said, I will call you back. She texts me back and tell me, said she got through. I'll be leaving tomorrow. I said, okay. She said, when she put on our clothes to go, when they come down the hill, Paulwell said to her, say, I get a phone call that fits the commissioner of police telling for come check in at the office. And she said, she know, hear a phone ring. When she go in, say, let me see your passport, Leoda, and your something. I just want to look at it. And she said, she just give him, I say, anything you don't want, you can't look at. She don't have nothing in her phone, so she can't go on. But she said to me that, Mommy, I said to Paulwell that, like I said, I drive to Mountain View. So tell the police that the camera into the car, they can look at it. And Paulwell said no. And then the next day, she got a phone call, so the police asked her, where she tell Paulwell, so she go tell Paulwell, tell her not to tell the police, but him go to hell and go tell the police. So Mr. Leoda, you know, something is adding up or not add up. You say you go to the police to tell the police that this is your whereabout, where you do go, but you know why you for tell him. But after him left in the house and gone to the police station, so that all that look. And she said, Mommy, I don't know what is going on, but 2 men come to the house. 2 men come to us and then said to Paulwell, say, them know so she come downstairs and say, she young in you old. You know how true it is, but you know you can make she go down because there's a more favor if you go in a prison. You hear me? She said before the everything happened, he had a camera in his and if I in the living room or the den or wherever him have the camera, and she turned, he start to make noise and wow. Me no know she saw the top, but she kind of scared. Some say she tell him say get the security company to come remove the camera, and they remove the camera and wipe off the things we were saying. But it was 2 men there, she says. She said, Mommy, that's why him asked me if I tell him what me know. Well, Leoda said, me say, you tell me, say, yeah, Leoda that Dubai, yeah, Leoda that Washington, D.C. You tell me, say, yeah, Leoda not involved, and you tell Leoda to stay here and come because you want to change the DNA.
Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And if you're new to the channel, just a pass through, look at the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them, brother them, for check out the channel and check out the reasoning. And on to the reason again. My sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love, and prosper. I want to stay tuned.